How to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue. So if you want to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue, then what you need to do is first, if you open up your Telegram application and if it's asking you that, or if it's saying too many attempts, then make sure that the number or the login information that you are entering is correct. And if it's correct and it's not working, then what you need to do is just open up your Play Store or your App Store, go with search and search for Telegram. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Telegram, then you just need to simply tap on update and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then just go with your Telegram, tap and hold on to that Telegram application, go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. Just open up your Telegram and try to log in again and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.